Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. I'm good too, thank you. Okay, so who is absent today? Okay, everybody present ya? Semuanya hadir. Okay. Okay, let's start our lesson today by saying Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. Our objective today is write a recount text about personal experience. What is right in Indonesia? Yes, menulis. What is experience in Indonesia? Do you know experience? Experience. Okay, follow me please. Experience. Experience. One more. Experience. Experience. What is experience in Indonesia? Anyone knows? No. Okay. So, experience, pengalaman. What about personal? Personal. Diri sendiri. Okay, diri sendiri. So, today we are going to write, yes, write a text, a recount text about your experience. Ya, do you have experience? Punya pengalaman nggak? The experience is about the happy one or the sad one? Happy. Okay. Do you have any sad experience? Yes? Ya? Ada yang sampai bikin nangis pengalamannya? Yeah, okay. Okay, good. But first, I want to ask you some question. Yeah, do you remember what is the structure of recount text? Structure. Structure of recount text. Do you remember? How many? 1, 2, 3. What is the first? Yes? The first. Louder please. Louder. Jangan takut. Yes. Orientation. Good. Give applause to your friends. Okay. What about the second one? After orientation? Yeah? What about the second one? After orientation? Series of what? Of yeah. What? Siapa tadi? Jawab. Series of what is apa? Event. Series of events. Okay, good. What about the third one? The third one is similar with the first one. Yeah? What? Yeah? Elsa? Similar with the first one, you just put two letters in the first part. Blah 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 orientation. Yeah? Ya, what is that? Reorientation. Ya, similar with the first one. Okay, follow me please. Orientation. Okay, series of events. Reorientation. Okay, good. Okay, first one, orientation. What information that you can put in the orientation? Ya, pembukaan. What information? Informasi apa yang bisa kita masukkan di bagian pembukaan orientation about experience? Ya, do you remember? What is this? Who? Okay. And then? When, good. And then? Where, okay. What is who? Siapa, yes. Who is involved in the story? The story is told about who? Ya. When? Kapan? When the story happened? At the school, last month, yesterday, on the weekend, blah blah blah. Where? Di mana? Where the story happened? At school, at house, or maybe in the other city. Ya? Okay. What about series of events? What is events? Apa itu event? Isi. Oke, isi ceritanya itu tentang apa? Kalau kamu mau berbicara atau menceritakan tentang pengalamanmu, berarti dalam event, dalam cerita, dalam isi itu yang kamu ceritakan apa? Pengalaman. Iya, pengalamannya dalam bentuk ya. Bisa lomba, apalagi? Iya. Yes, kejadian. So in your experience, what happened? Apa yang terjadi di pengalamanmu itu? Ya kan? Event. Kejadian yang pertama apa? If the next event. Kejadian selanjutnya apa? The third event. Kejadian berikutnya apa? Sampai the story is end. Ya, sampai ceritanya berakhir. Entah itu nanti happy ending atau sad ending. Oke, so the series of events, ya, makanya dia sebut dengan series. Series of event berarti kejadiannya itu nggak cuman satu, tapi lebih dari satu. So series, kayak sinetron, episode 1, 2, 3. Kalau ini cuman series event 1, event 2, event 3, gitu ya. Dan dijelaskan atau diceritakan secara berurutan. Oke. What about reorientation? Kalau tadi orientation ada di paragraf paling atas, kalau reorientation, yes, the last paragraph, paragraf paling terakhir. Apakah pengalamannya ini sudah terjadi? Sudah kan? Yes, karena pengalamannya sudah terjadi. So, in the recount text, you need to use simple past tense when you write the story. Ya, I want you to think first. Use your brain. Remind about your experience. Pilih-pilih nih. Ingatan tentang pengalamanmu. Yes. You can choose the happy one. Or you can choose the sad one. Ya, horror boleh. Tragedi boleh. But choose only one experience ya. I'll give you 2 minutes to remind the memory. Okay? Start now. Now I want you to continue to remind your experience, but while complete this mind map. Yeah. First, I want you to complete orientation, series of events, and reorientation. You can write it down in English, or you can write it down in Indonesia. That's okay. Or you can mix English and Indonesia. Yes. Okay. Yeah, if you want to make it easy, you can put it in Indonesia. But later on, when you write down the recon text, you need to use English. Okay? Okay. So I'll give you 10 minutes for complete the mind map. Okay? 10 minutes. 10 menit. Okay, good. Can you please give it to your friend? Take 2. At home, bukan in the home. Kalau mau pakai in, berarti home-nya ganti jadi in the house. Yes, but if you want to put home, use at home, ya. You can put your name at the top of the paper. Here or here, that's up to you. Yes. Your name. Ya? Yes. Ada yang kurang? Anyone who didn't get the paper? Okay. 1? Okay. Okay, 10 minutes start now. Okay. Oh, you and your friends. Okay. How many friends? One only? Banyak. So what are their name? The name of your friend. How many? How many of them? 16. So you can put 16 of your friends. 16 teman. Yes.
Ada 20 banyak.
Yeah. If your friends only 2, 3, so you need to write down the name.
Bawah sini, Bu.
Yes, you can put it over here. Yes. Yes, you can use Indonesia, of course. If you want to use English, that's also okay. Yeah. My friend and I. Yes. Or you can also put me and my friend. But that will be good if you put my friends and I. How many friends? 5 of your friends. Okay, so my friends and I. Or you can say 5 of my friends and I. Yeah. Yes, come on. How many friends do you? How many friends that will be in your story? 5 of your friends. You can put it here. 5. Or you can write down the name of your friends. Okay. Yes. Okay. So what happened at the first? Friends. 5 of my friends and I. Yes, good. Huh? Yeah, you can put it in Indonesia. That's okay. Come on. Pengalaman mana yang kamu pilih? Pengalaman kapan? Atau misalnya pengalaman kamu ketika hari Minggu kemarin. Ngapain kamu di hari Minggu? Tidur? Masa seharian tidur? Yakin? Nggak bangun makan? Nggak bangun ke WC? Nggak bangun buat take a bath. Berarti nggak mandi dong seharian.
Mending.
Ih. Ya,
Nulisnya Bu.
kenapa?
Gak tahu nulis. Cara nulisnya doang.
You can write it down in Indonesia first. Misalnya who, siapa. Ini what experience do you want to write down? Kamu mau nulis pengalaman tentang apa?
Nanti pas skip.
Di Paskib. Oke. So nanti di Paskib itu ada berapa yang terlibat?
Ini shotgun
17 sama aku.
17 sama kamu. Berarti kamu dan 16 orang temanmu, ya kan? So you can put it here my friends and I. Atau misalnya kamu bisa nulis 16 berapa 17 ya? 17 orang di grup Paskib. Itu juga bisa. Boleh? Yes, you can put it in Indonesia. You need to choose the event first. Ya, jadi nanti ceritanya nggak yang kemana-mana ngembang gitu. Pilih yang spesifik. Oke? Ya? Kalau misalnya kamu tahu secara spesifik, boleh ditulis tanggalnya atau harinya, boleh? Boleh. Boleh. Kecuali kalau kamu nulisnya bahasa Arab, baru ibu bingung. Bahasa Thailand tambah bingung ibu. 5 more minutes. Ya. Who itu because this is your experience, karena ini pengalamanmu, berarti yang terlibat itu harus kamu. Ya kan? Tapi kamu bisa menambahkan selain kamu yang terlibat dalam kejadian kebakaran itu siapa lagi gitu. Misalnya ketika kamu menceritakan pengalamanmu kan berarti ini yang kebakaran rumahnya siapa? Rumahmu atau rumah orang lain? Tapi kamu melihat kebakaran itu kan. So the story is about when you look at the fire happen, ketika kamu melihat kebakaran terjadi, itu kamu sama siapa? Kalau kamu ada sama misalnya sama temenmu atau sama keluargamu, itu bisa dituliskan di situ. Tapi kalau misalnya kejadian itu terjadi ketika kamu sedang sendirian melihat kejadian itu, berarti di situ kamu hanya menulis dirimu sendiri. Gitu, ya? Oke. Sudah dapat pengalamannya? Boleh pengalaman waktu hari Minggu kemarin, boleh juga. Yes? Minggu lalu. Minggu apa? What is minggu in English? Week. Lalu? Last week. Okay. 2 minutes. That's okay. Ayo, tulis aja dulu. What?
In SMK.
Okay, good. Good. Ya? How's your feeling? Ini sudah diceritakan akhir ceritanya nggak di event 3? Sudah. Kalau sudah berarti di sini cukup menuliskan how's your feeling when you experience this.
Setelah happy.
Yeah. Okay, our next activity is I want you. Wait. Dia nggak mau. Okay, our next activity is I want you tell your friend about your mind map. Ya, your friend.
Yeah.
Yes, in pairs. Ya, each other take turn to tell about your mind map. Ya, oke, ya. Can you please? Ayo Naura. Arfa doang. Ya, so ceritakan terbalik sampai. Tell your friends next to you about your mind map ya. Ceritakan isi tentang peta pikiranmu kepada temanmu yang ada di samping kanan. Kok samping kanan? Maksudnya di samping sebangku. Oke? Oke, start now. Go. Sama ibu sini. Ayo, come on. Cerita. Ya cerita deh. Ay, sudah sebut. Ya. Enggak apa-apa. Oke, tell me.
Ceritakan.
Iya.
Cerita tentang apa, Bu?
Cerita tentang tulis, Teh.
Ya, yang kamu tulis itu. Arpa sini. Dengerin.
Saya dan teman saya
Aha.
kita hanya membutuhkan dari jam 2 sampai jam 4. Kita membuat doa dulu sebelum latihan dimulai.
Oke, terus?
Hari kedua, kita berpindah tempat di lapangan. Lalu selanjutnya latihan dari jam 3 sampai jam 5.
Oke, terus?
Nah, kita bernyanyi bersama sambil diberitahu bahwa besok sudah tampil.
Oke. Sebelum 17 Agustus ya? Oke, terus?
Hari ketiga, hari terakhir.
What happened in the last day? Hari terakhir itu berarti ketika upacara tampil. Oke, good.
Kita berkumpul terus membaca doa. Kita berbaris ke lapangan sambil menunggu acara.
Oke, good. Finish?
Ini
Ya.
karena saya senang sekali dan mau mengikutinya lagi.
Oke, good. Arpa? What about you? Itu. Ya, Pak? Ya. Nggak usah, langsung aja. Langsung di ini eventnya, apa yang terjadi?
Kami berkumpul di tribun lapangan dan di hari pertama kali kami latihan kami sangat kelelahan. Yang kedua, di pertengahan latihan kami sedang mulai terbiasa dengan latihan sebelumnya. Yang ketiga, dan di akhir latihan kami mulai merindukan masa awal-awal latihan. Dan tibalah di mana saya dan teman-teman harus melanjutkan hasil kerja keras, lelah, tenang, susah akan terbayarkan di hari itu. Dan setelah mengibarkan, kami di situ merasa terharu.
Oke, selesai. Oke, thank you. Can you balikan Bang? Thank you ya Arfa. Finish. Oke. Have you talked to your friends? Yeah. You? Have you tell your friends about your mind mapping? Sudah gantian belum? Sudah gantian. Berarti semuanya sudah tahu ceritanya. Oke, finish guys.
Yes.
Oke. Yes. Masih. Finish? Yes. Attention please. Okay. Now you already have the first draft ya. This is your experience ya. Ini adalah pengalamanmu yang nanti mau kamu tuliskan. Okay. Now our next activity is you are going to open your Chromebook, open Google document, Hello? Yeah. Open Google Document. Use Google Document to write a text about your experience based on your mind map. Yes? Yes. So you are going to use what application? Google? Google?
Dokumen.
Google Document. Can you open Google Document? Sudah bisa kan buka Google Document ya? Sudah. Okay. But wait a second. Our time is up. Jamnya udah habis. So Google Dokumennya bisa kita lakukan besok. Okay? Yeah, but make sure don't download. Make sure you complete the mind map first. Ya, kalau misalnya mind map belum lengkap, silakan dilengkapi supaya ini akan menjadi acuan untuk kamu menulis recount text besok. Oke? Oke, good. Before we end the class, sebelum kita selesai, I want to give you some question. Do you have any difficulties when you write down the mind mapping? Ada yang merasa kesulitan enggak ketika melengkapi mind mapping? No. Nazwa? Merasa sulit? Ada yang merasa kesulitan mengisi mind mappingnya? Nggak ada? Kenapa? Kenapa kamu nggak merasa sulit? Iya, kenapa kamu merasa gampang?
Sudah tahu.
Ya, because you complete it with your experience ya. Iya, kamu menulisnya tentang pengalamanmu sendiri. Jadi nggak sulit-sulit amat gitu ya. Karena kamu mengalaminya, sudah pernah terjadi dan itu adalah ceritamu sendiri. Kecuali kalau yang kamu ceritakan di sini adalah ceritanya orang lain. Nah, itu baru sulit. Oke, very good. Oke, now we are going to continue to write the text tomorrow. Yes, using your Chromebook and also Google Document. Okay? Okay, give applause to all of you. You are very good. That's all for our meeting today. Let's end our class by saying Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Thank you. Don't forget to bring your mind mapping tomorrow, ya. And we are going to continue. Mau dikumpul?
Mau.
Tapi ada yang belum selesai. Ya, nggak usah disimpan di dalam tas, jangan dikeluarkan, besok bawa lagi. Oke? Oke, that's all for today. Thank you so much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you tomorrow.
See you.